Hello once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Rekavin charger power adapter for walls. Yeah, you can't see much of it in here, can you? Let's see if I can take it out of the packaging. Right, so it's 3 USB ports. Right, okay, let's get it out of here. So it's the UK main plug. There we go. So 3 USB chargers. So there you go, really. Oh, what's that? Oh, a little bit of plastic on there. So basically the full, when you get Amazon, it's just they tighten it out so big. USB plug, multi-USB charger plug, adapter UK, 5 volt, 3.1 amps. For iPhone plug, multiple port, dual USB plug adapter, triple wave, 3 double USB. There you go. No, not that. USB plug adapter, triple wave, 3-pin double USB plug charger for iPhone X. Yeah, whatever. Why can't they just get to the point when they advertise a product? Yeah, it's a free USB charger or power supply or whatever, so you can use it for charging all sorts of phones. I'm guessing. I don't know if it supports fast charging. Doesn't mention that, but I think you can. There are more expensive ones. So this basically only costs what, £6.99. I think it's actually gone up now. I'm looking at it. There's also 4 USB versions of this. Some other USB versions of this. Feels okay. You know, it doesn't feel cheap. Feels okay, but there you go. There's the product. I suppose we've got to test it now. So there we go. Let's switch it on. Right. So I've got. Oh great! Ain't working. Is it working? No, that's working. But is this charging? Yeah, it is working because I'm using this and recording at the same time. So it is charging this. So yes, it is working. So it just, yeah, that's what it's supposed to do, I guess. What else can I say? Anyway, going to end this now. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, and goodbye.